Hello guys, welcome back to XTech. I just wanted to do a quick review video on this Andoer motorized camera dolly slider. I mean, if you want to get some smooth panoramic shots, you can get smooth side to side shots as well. If you have a YouTube channel, I think you have to have this in your kit. It's definitely worth it. It does get some really cool shots as well. I got this motorized camera dolly slider for just under 30 euros, so for that price it's definitely worth buying. As well as mounting camera, you can definitely mount your smartphone as well. This thing is so small that does make carrying it very easy. There are better sliders out there, but I mean, for this kind of price range, this is one of the best, if not the best sliders out there. So this thing can be charged on micro USB and it can be controlled on this small controller. So this controller just got play, pause button, and forward and reverse as well. You don't have to touch the slider every single time if you want to pause it, so you just can use it via the controller. So this thing got 3 speed 1, speed 2 and speed 3. So this thing can easily be found on AliExpress. You just need to type in motorized camera dolly slider. For this price range, it does make a lot of difference. I mean, if you have a YouTube channel, you have to definitely buy this. So that was pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Take care, bye bye, see you next time.